today's crafting, we are going to create some really fun, easy to make tissue paper bowls, literally out of just some tissue paper and some Elmer's glue. So what you're going to need for this craft is something to paint your glue on. I'm just using a foam spongy, some white glue, any bowl that you would like. We're going to use that as our form or shape, and tissue paper scraps. You're going to need some cooking oil spray and some plastic wrap. All right, so let's get started. The first thing you're going to do is you're actually just going to turn your bowl over, and then we are going to put on some plastic wrap. All right, and you just want to make sure that you cover everything really well here. Let's just get this out of the way. Okay. And what the plastic wrap is going to do is prevent your tissue paper from sticking to your bowl. The next thing I'm going to do is, let me move this back just a little bit. I'm actually going to spray it down with some cooking oil. Okay, and I'm just going to make sure the whole thing is nice coated. Yes, it is. All right, and now we're going to start. And again, this is just going to make sure that it pops out really, really easily. So that's a very important step. Don't want to forget that one. The first thing we are going to do is take our glue, and we're just going to paint our little form here on top of that. Yes. Now this is a messy project. So paint it really well here. All right, so we have our first layer and first coat done, and we are literally just going to repeat this process about anywhere between 4 to 6 times. So I'm going to go over the next layer here. Okay, so we have about 4 or 5 layers on here, and then as you see, I coated it with a really nice thick layer of glue, and we're gonna let that dry completely, which normally takes about 24 hours. So we're gonna let that set up, and then I'll show you the next steps. All right, so we have let this dry overnight, and let's see, it looks really nice. You can feel it's kind of hard. So the first thing I'm gonna do is turn it over and take the bowl out. Okay, it came out very nice. And now we just have the saran wrap to take out. So it should just peel right away after using that spray, cooking spray. Perfect. All right, and as you see, it turns out nice and shiny too. So you now have a tissue paper bowl, and you can leave it like this, or if you would like, you could always take some scissors and just trim up the edges really nicely. There we are. I would love to see your creations. Take a picture and tag us at #ILoveSJCPLS. We will see you next time. Thanks, and have a great day.